Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a bacon chicken bourbon barbecue quesadilla. First thing we got to do is make our bourbon barbecue sauce. So, as you can see here in this pot, I have 2 cups of ketchup. To that, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Then I'm going to drizzle in approximately 3 tablespoons of honey. Then we're going to add some salt, some freshly ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of dry mustard, and then a half a cup of bourbon. Then you want to grab a whisk and whisk it all around. Bring it over to your stovetop on about medium to medium-low heat. You want to simmer this for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Let's jump ahead. Okay, the 15 minutes are up. Your sauce should be looking something a little bit like that. Ain't the magic of cooking show editing just amazing? Then basically you want to let this cool. I did let this simmer for about another 5 minutes, truth be told. But you want to let it cool and then place it in a condiment bottle. And now we're ready to make our quesadilla. Alrighty, first thing we got to do is add some chicken. Of course, we have to have bacon. Followed by some cheddar cheese. Then we just got to add that bourbon barbecue sauce that we made up. And then fold it over. Butter one side of the tortillas. And let's fry it up. Alrighty, as you can see here, it's griddling away. Give it a couple of minutes each side till both sides are nice, brown, and crispy. Let's jump ahead in time. Using, of course, the magic of cooking show editing. Alrighty, one last thing to do, and that's carve this thing into 4s. So that's a bacon chicken bourbon quesadilla. And it's done.